Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an AutoCAD drawing. We'll start by opening a new drawing and choosing a suitable template. Then, we'll dive into configuring your drawing units, whether you prefer imperial or metric. Finally, we'll define the drawing limits, which is crucial for establishing your precise working area. This foundational setup ensures accuracy and efficiency for your design. Next, we'll explore the power of layers. Creating distinct layers helps organize your drawing elements, like walls, dimensions, or text. You can assign unique colors, line types, and line weights to each layer for clear visual differentiation. We'll also cover how to manage individual object properties, giving you precise control over every detail in your design. Now, let's refine your annotations with custom text and dimension styles. Establishing consistent text styles ensures uniformity across all your labels and notes. We'll also configure dimension styles to meet specific industry or project standards. You can easily adjust text height, font, and arrow sizes for optimal clarity, making your drawings professional and easy to read. Finally, let's talk about saving your hard work and creating templates. Always save your drawing frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once your setup is perfect, you can create custom drawing templates. These templates can include your standard layers, blocks, and settings, saving you significant time on future projects. This ensures consistency and efficiency across all your designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.